The city of Florence, Italy, has a long history of stone artwork. Here, there is a special type of stone mosaic art called Florentine Marquetry. Tricia and I visited the workshop of the Scarpelli family to see the creation of Florentine Marquetry, also known as Commesso Fiorentino in Pietre Dure in Italian. Our guide for this experience was Catia Scarpelli. Catia, together with her father Renzo, her mother Gabriella, and her brother Leonardo, have been turning semi-precious stone into incredible art for decades. And their workshop is full of vibrant examples. Florentine Marquetry began during the Renaissance over 500 years ago. Under the patronage of the Medici Family, this stone mosaic art form blossomed around the city. Today, at the Pietre Dure Museum, you can see stone mosaic tabletops and wall art produced centuries ago. A sentimental piece of wall decor was produced by Catia's brother, Leonardo, when he was a young boy in 1981. Making Florentine Marquetry begins with the daunting task of identifying and collecting the stone. Then, an outline is made of the desired shape. That shape is then applied to a slice of stone. That stone is then applied to a slate background, and holes are drilled near it. A bow saw made of chestnut, cherry, or hazelnut wood, with its iron wire threaded through the drilled hole, is then used to cut the stone. The iron wire has a bit of help from silicon carbide. This mixture is the second hardest abrasive in the world. Once the stone is free, the shape is peeled off, and a glue made from pine tree resin and beeswax is then melted onto the joints of the mosaic. The result? A masterpiece.